Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to my show. We're gonna talk a little bit about more camera. External mics. Two types of microphone connections the DJI can do. They are TRS 3.5 millimeter and Bluetooth. This is a camera. It came out after a smartphone. Smartphones dominated the world, and everything went to TRRS. Now I'm gonna change my subject just a little bit and talk about EIS as well. My videos are jitter-free. They don't have any vibration in video that looks terrible. It's buttery smooth and a little dark. You set your shutter 1/100th through 8,000. You want to change everything else or leave it alone, that's all up to you. You take your video noise down to -2 and your sharpness to -1. Or do like me and just bring it down to -2 and your video to, you got it, -1. And I leave everything else as is. DJI is the only one. GoPro may be catching on. So you could do that in GoPro as well. It's not a hack. It's something in the camera's advanced settings that you can do. Let's get back to the microphone thing. You have to look for a camera mic. And you can get the DJI adapter that you could do the power in the mic. But you got to remember, you want a TRS mic. And that's how the camera works. Well, it's not a smartphone mic. Get that right. Well, that's when the camera works quite well, when you know what you're doing and know how to do it. All right. Action cameras don't work that fast. Watch the guy run. You would low this time. So that's what action cams are about. They're 3.5 millimeter type of microphone, and they are jitter-free if you know how to set your camera up and use it for low light enabled shots where you don't need that low priority light that just takes your EV value and dumps it down so low. It tries to smooth it out for you where you could boost it up yourself to the right settings you want. Time for me to put my helmet on and go continue forward. I need to tighten this up. This is always loose. It comes off and loosens up. Nothing's ever perfect in this world. Even you, DJI. Nothing's perfect about you that wants me to jump for joy. Well, I am Fish. Go capture those moments. Have a great day.